Hey guys, showing you this Yoobure dresser with the 5 storage drawers and a charging station. It's a small dresser for a bedroom or the tall dressers and chest for drawers, fabric side, table for closet, nightstand, bedside type. So I'm just unboxing. These are the drawers. So boxing is really nice and protective. So I'm just taking out all the stuff and then need to install it. So these are all the stuff. This is the metal frame and the fabric drawers. So you can see it here, the manual that describes everything, how to install this product, and then all the parts here therein. So one by one I will just install this the things. All the numbers are marked on the parts, so you have to arrange it accordingly with the parts here. Screws I will add. There is a toolbox or the things supplied with all the screws and things. So you can see like installation is straightforward and easy. You have to just add in these parts and then screw whatever is provided. So once this part are made, these are the screws and all the tools are provided here. All the numbers are marked, and then parts you have to just see what is there and then put it in this screws. So one by one I will just install, select M and N. So all these numbers are provided, so just use this number, put in the screws based on the tutorial, and then it will just set it up. All these keys and screwdriver, everything is provided in the box. So this is pretty handy that you don't need to get your tools while assembling this product. So once installed, you can see like all this fabric stuff, and the drawers looks really nice. This is a little velvety touch on the front, and this is the white table with this charging port. So in this you have two power outlets and one USB and USB-C. So it's really handy and a great nightstand for the night. So it's very handy for the small space, and you can see it here. So it looks really nice for the white dresser, and the charging and everything is all provided. You have to just put in into the power outlet. So yeah, so it's very helpful for mobile charging or any other thing you want to use. This is for the wall fixing if you want to do that.